Transportation is something we use every day, but we often overlook how complex and important it really is. After going through the slides and discussions, I gain a deeper understanding of its role in society. By the way, my name is Janet De Labana from BSTM 2E1. What I learned from transportation, I learned that transportation enables the movement of people and goods and is essential for economic and social development. It includes four main modes. Is it land, rail, water, and air, each with unique benefits and drawbacks. I also discovered the responsibilities of various government agencies like DPWH, LTRFRB, LTO, LRTA, Marina, and CAAP, in maintaining and regulating these systems. However, there are still challenges such as traffic congestion, accidents, and outdated infrastructure. I was especially interested in modern trends such as the push for more sustainable and tech-driven solutions in rail and air transport. This topic made me realize how transportation affects our daily lives and why it's important to invest in safer and more efficient systems for the future. Thank you very much.